Okay, so this automatically has a hole in the bottom already, right? And you've got the foil top that punches through. I took a knife and I simply cut away this foil top, and then I dump the coffee out into this, and I cut that away like this. I pull it away, and what I'm left with going into our landfill is this one little piece of foil. This cup, if you're a gardener, you already know that caffeine is a natural insect repellent. I put the grounds into the compost. The worms love it. This I'm planting my seeds in. I know, right? Genius? Tell me, it's kind of genius, right? Because automatically all I have to do is fill it up with some of my potting soil, put my seed in. I usually stick it on top, throw a little more soil, and use the next cup to like push the soil down. Voila, no waste. And I've reused them too, and surprisingly, you'd be shocked how well. Maybe there's nutrients in that's residual in the cup from the coffee. It does create a little more acidity, I'm sure, in the soil, but the seeds are germinating. I'm getting over a 90% germination rate. And I did an experiment last spring between the like standard 6-pack, 4-pack, 6-pack cells that you can start seeds in versus these cups. And I think it was like an 80%, 85 to 90, 95 easy with the cups. I don't know why, no clue, but the cups are working and they don't cost me anything. So if I like take these cups to farmer's market and sell little baby starts, I have no cost but a seed in it. So we're talking, I get my coffee and I more than make my money back on this little pod that I stuck in that, because these can get expensive. But I'm actually turning a slight profit, I think, with starting my seeds in this. And I'm not wasting anything. It's not filling up the landfill. So start saving your coffee pods and use them to start your seeds. Voila. I hope you enjoy. You know the routine. You know, if you like it, if you want to see more stuff like this, you know what to do. Otherwise, I'll see you soon. Bye.